Generally, your care will be the same whether you're on a clinical trial or not. If there's periodic blood work that needs to be done, that'll all be done, imaging. The care that you get should be equivalent and perhaps superior than the care that you would get off of a clinical trial.
When we have patients on clinical trials, I personally believe that their care is actually better. And the reason for that is because we have such a kind of regimented schedule of how often we see the patient, what labs need to be drawn, what we do with the medication if certain side effects may come up, that they're getting followed more closely. Their safety net is even better than the safety net that we have for patients who are off a clinical trial, which I think is actually quite good. In terms of how your actual care day to day may change, it varies from trial to trial. Certainly there are some trials where your time commitment will be greater, where you'll have to come in for more visits, perhaps have more blood draws, perhaps have more scans, et cetera. But we're cognizant of that, and we want to make sure that those extras aren't too burdensome, that they don't detract from a patient's quality of life. So if anything, I would say that baseline level of care is going to be there. It's going to be solid. Being on a clinical trial, I think, raises the bar and actually makes sure that we're keeping even a closer eye on those patients.